Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you pause your workflows or automations for custom date ranges in GoHighLevel. Alright, so I'm in my GoHighLevel sub account, and under automation I had created a workflow which is an email drip sequence to nurture the leads. It contains a lot of emails spanned over a period of time, and now my goal is to pause this on certain dates because it might be holidays, or I want to pause this and I want to make sure that people do not get the email sequence in certain dates. So we now have an option to pause any sort of automations. We can also do all automations. So let's take a look into what we have available for us. So all you have to do is head over to global workflow settings on the top once you are under automation. So we'll click on that. So here you can see we have global workflow settings. So the first one is notifications. You can enable it, but I'm going to focus on the pause workflow option here. So you can see here that it says when to pause the workflow, and we can add a date here. So once you do that, it will give you an option to add a start date and time. The maximum date range limit is 15 days right now. So if you try to do more than that, it will not allow you. So let's do November 1st till the 14th. Let's try that. And then you will see we have an option to select workflows. Now you can do all published workflows, or you can select any one of these or even multiple of these. So you can select more if you want. I'm just going to pause this one for now, and you can see how helpful it can be because you can pause it for vacations or holidays to make sure that people do not get bothered. And if you need to duplicate this, you can do that, and then you can probably select different date ranges and then choose other workflows. One thing I want to highlight here is that this will only be applicable on the published workflows, and in these date ranges, these workflows will be drafted, as you can read on the top as well. And then we have another option where we can make this occurring on a yearly basis. So on the same dates next year, this workflow will be drafted again. So you can choose this setting if that helps you. A couple of things you have to make sure is, again, you cannot choose a date range of 15 days, and then a workflow should not be a part of 2 or more date ranges that are overlapping. So if you are pausing a certain workflow from 1 till 15 and then you do that again, it cannot have an overlapping date in that. So as long as you follow these rules, you should be good to pause any published workflow in your GoHighLevel sub account. Once you're happy with the settings, all you have to do is click on save, and now this setting will be in effect for the workflows that you have selected. That was all about this video. This is Osama signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.